Today I am reviewing the Canon EOS R50 V mirrorless camera. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Canon EOS R50 V mirrorless camera is an exceptional choice for content creators, vloggers, and aspiring photographers who want a compact yet powerful camera. It comes equipped with a versatile RF-S14-30mm F4-6.3 STM PZ lens, which covers an ultra-wide zoom range, making it ideal for capturing expansive landscapes, tight indoor spaces, and dynamic vlogs. With a 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, the camera delivers highly detailed images with excellent color accuracy and impressive clarity, whether you're shooting photos or recording video. One of the standout features of the R50 V is its fast and reliable autofocus system. Thanks to Canon's advanced AF technology, the camera quickly locks onto subjects, ensuring sharp focus in both stills and video. This is particularly beneficial for vloggers and live streamers who often need to move around while keeping themselves in focus. Coupled with the included lens, which operates quietly and smoothly thanks to its STM motor, you get professional-looking footage without the intrusive noise of traditional lens motors. For videographers, the Canon EOS R50 V offers a wide array of recording options. It supports 4K video at both 29.97 frames per second for full-width recording and 59.94 frames per second with a 4K crop. Additionally, full HD recording is available at up to 119.8 frames per second, allowing for stunning slow-motion effects. The slow and fast video modes give creators enhanced control over frame rate and playback speed, opening up creative possibilities for dynamic storytelling, cinematic sequences, and engaging content for social media platforms. The camera is designed with creators in mind. Its interface has been thoughtfully redesigned to simplify operation, and it includes a vertical video tripod mount and a dedicated front record button, making it easy to start recording instantly in any orientation. The compact body is perfect for handheld shooting or for use with gimbals, and its lightweight design makes long shooting sessions much more comfortable compared to traditional DSLRs. Connectivity is another strong point. The EOS R50 V integrates seamlessly with streaming setups, making it ideal for live content creation. Whether you're live streaming tutorials, gaming, or professional presentations, the camera ensures crisp video output and reliable performance. Combined with Canon's Digic X image processor, you get fast image processing, responsive performance, and excellent low-light capability, ensuring your content looks polished and professional in any lighting condition. Additionally, the camera's versatility extends beyond content creation. Its ultra-wide zoom lens, high-resolution sensor, and intuitive controls make it suitable for travel photography, family events, creative projects, and more. The R50 V balances portability and performance perfectly, offering the benefits of a full-featured mirrorless system in a compact, easy-to-carry package. Overall, the Canon EOS R50 V mirrorless camera with the RF-S14-30mm lens is a complete kit for anyone looking to produce high-quality photos and videos. Its combination of powerful imaging capabilities, fast autofocus, versatile video options, and creator-focused design makes it a standout choice for both beginners and experienced content creators who want to elevate their work. Whether you're shooting vlogs, live streams, cinematic projects, or still photography, this camera is designed to deliver consistent, professional results in a compact and user-friendly package.